Hello my dear children, good morning. So in last lecture we have done revision of 7th unit Robinson Crusoe. Okay, so now we'll begin with our chapter number 8, that is unit number 8, Healing Herbs. So now what is the story of Healing Herbs? So in this what? Activity number 1, a science fair is held in which? Gandhinagar, for children of your age. So, like your same age, children fair is there in Gandhinagar. Avni, Asmi would like to participate in it. She decided to take with her self-prepared herb booklet. So, now what? She want to take participate in it, and she don't want to buy a booklet from outside, but she want to prepare by herself only. So, Dhruvi was trying to sharpen a pencil with a blade when she cut her finger and it started bleeding. So what? Now, Dhruvi was trying to sharpen her pencil. Then what? Bled? But her finger was cut by his blade. So what? It start bleeding. Blood will come. Now, see in the figure, it is there that if you put pencil, if your some hurt is there, then bleeding is coming, right? So like this, bleeding is coming. Immediately her mother brought a pinch of turmeric powder. So in case of emergency, means bleeding is there, what you have to put? Turmeric powder. So Dhruvi's mother bought turmeric powder, applied it over the wound and pressed it hard. So suppose if here you got hurt, then you have to apply a turmeric powder and you have to press tight so that bleeding will not come out. So that the bleeding was controlled. Dhruvi asked her mother why she applied turmeric powder to the wound. Now she had a question that why turmeric powder only? Why it is useful or not? Why my mother put turmeric powder on that wound? Her mother replied, my mother used turmeric powder whenever we were hurt. So her mother also don't know. She told that at my times when I am getting hurt, my mother is also using turmeric powder. Later on, I read imaginations that I read in magazine that turmeric powder acts as a good antiseptic. Then she had a question that how turmeric powder is useful. So she read in newspaper that it is a good antiseptic, means which will be at the time of wound, which is be beneficial. Okay. Now, what is antiseptic? Mother, she asked her mother, what is antiseptic? Well, I think an antiseptic is something that heals wound. What? That heals wound, emergency. So it is known as antiseptic, her mother replied. Now, activity 2. Dhruvi meets a doctor. Hello, Dr. Kalyani. How are you? She met a doctor. Hello, Miss Dr. Kalyani. How are you? What a pleasant surprise, Lakshmi. We are meeting after a long time. That Lakshmi. So, telling that, oh, what a pleasant surprise. We are meeting a long time. After many times we are meeting. It is nice Dhruvi has also come with you. So, Dhruvi's mother name was Lakshmi. So, doctor was telling, it is nice. Dhruvi came with you, that it is with you. My mother says turmeric is an antiseptic. Is that so? Now Dhruvi is asking that to doctor. That my mother is telling that turmeric is an antiseptic. It is true or not, doctor? Next question. Yes, it is true. Dr. Kalyani had no hesitation in replying. So, if it is false, if someone is not knowing, then they are doing a hesitation. Yes, no. But no, doctor is true. That yes, it is an antiseptic. So, there is no hesitation. Doctor, can you tell me more about turmeric plant? And she want to listen from the doctor about turmeric plant more. Then, which are its uses? She want to know. Which science deal with study of medicine plants? Dhruvi listed her queries. So, whatever that query is there, she listed in a page that what the science deal with the medical plants. Nowadays, botany is dealing with the study of a few medical plants. So, botany is known as the study of medicinal plants. There is also the Indian system of medicine, which is Ayurveda. You mean Ayurveda? Dhruvi invented. So, science is there botany and other system is known as Ayurveda. Yes, Ayurveda means a science of life. Science of life means everything that is surrounding you in nature is a part of science only. So all the things are beneficial in some or other way. Now, turmeric is an anti such study of herbs of science that what every herbs is said tulsi, neem, everything is useful. So that all the studies are done in Ayurveda. Of course is a part of our science. So study of that all plants is a part of science. How does turmeric act on cold? Now next question. You know that cold is a viral infection. Yes, turmeric has an antiviral effect. So first is an antiseptic also and second is an antiviral effect also. Indian women apply turmeric on the feet. Is there any reason behind this habit too? So now third question what? That Indian woman is there. They are applying turmeric on their feet. First is it used to heal wound. Second, it is used for a cold or viral infection. Third, that lady is using as a feet, applying turmeric in it. Now, yes, there is a most of the women work in a water for a long time. So your all mothers are working in a long time for in water now, in washing clothes, utensils, or many other things. So their legs, feet lead to infection. So turmeric is useful for that infection. So it can remove that infection. So turmeric is used. So turmeric prevents infection. Hence women apply it on their feet. Now I understood why some advertisement talk to turmerics and creams. Now you see Eco turmeric. I have given example in first when I am explaining the chapter also. Now also in many products turmeric is used. It gives us a glow also. So, thank you doctor, you have given me so much information about common herbs and why they are used in daily life. So, Dhruv is thanking the doctor. Please, thank you very much because I have been fulfilled with the information which I needed. Means she needed information of everyday life. So, she got it. So, she is thanking to doctor. Okay. Now, activity number third. Say whether the following statements are true or false. A science fair will be held in Ahmedabad. False. It is held in Gandhinagar. Dhruvi's mother applied sugar to her wound. She applied sugar? No, she applied what? Turmeric. So here it will become false. Turmeric is an antiseptic. Yes, it is an antiseptic. It heals the wound. Dhruv is a curious student. Yes, because she wants to learn many things. So, Dhruvi wants to buy a booklet about herbs. False. She don't want to buy a booklet. Ayurveda is the science of life. True. Ayurveda is a science of life. Okay. Now moving ahead. So these are the activities we have discussed. Activity 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 we have discussed. So just in 8 chapter you have to read that true or false. Okay. So we have completed our 8th unit revision. Okay, healing herbs. So read it carefully. And in next lecture we'll further continue with our unit number 9 Mulla Nasruddin. Thank you children. I will send a PDF of the true or false. Okay, read from that. Thank you.